Hello friends, myself Jignesh S. Patel, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department from Vallabh Polytechnic, Navsari, Gujarat. Today, I will learn about thermal system and energy efficiency subject in boiler chapter direct method. What is boiler? A boiler is an unclosed vessel in which a fluid such as water is heated to produce steam or the vaporize from of a liquid. The steam or hot water is then circulated through a piping system to transfer heat for various applications such as heating, power generation and other process. Performance evaluation of typical boiler system. Generally, steam is generated by using heat produced by combustion of fuel in the boiler system. Now, performance evaluation of any boiler is done by following three methods by calculate the values of different parameter. First one based on evaporation capacity, second one based on thermal efficiency, third one based on various heat losses. In this topic, following one method are described for evaluating the boiler performance. Direct method. What is direct method? In this method, the ratio of actual heat utilized for generating steam and total heat produced by burning the fuel is calculated for a certain time period. This ratio is called the thermal efficiency of the boiler. This is also known as input-output method. The efficiency can be evaluated using the formula boiler efficiency is equal to heat output upon heat input multiplied by 100. Here one block diagram is given, one boiler is given, then input data for fuel plus air, then other water can be supplied by the boiler. The boiler water convert into steam, so output data is steam. Now boiler efficiency is equal to steam flow rate into steam enthalpy minus feed water enthalpy divided by fuel firing rate into gross calorific value multiplied by 100. We know that this equation can be given to the datasheet in your exam. So boiler efficiency is equal to M into Hg minus Hf divided by Mf into Gcv multiplied by 100, where M is equal to amount of steam produced per hour kg per hour. Small mf is equal to amount of fuel used per hour kg per hour. Gcv is equal to gross calorific value of fuel kilojoule per kg. Hg is equal to enthalpy of saturated steam kilojoule per kg. Hf is equal to enthalpy of feed water kilojoule per kg. Now here one example can be solved by boiler of direct method. Types of boiler: coal fire boiler, heat output data, quantity of steam generated 8 TPH, steam pressure per temperature 10 kg per centimeter square per 180 degree centigrade, feed water temperature 85 degree centigrade, heat input data, quantity of coal consumed 1.6 TPH, GCV of coal 4000 kilocalorie per kg, Find out the boiler efficiency by direct method. Now, first of all, write down the given data and unit conversion of all the parameter. So first, capital M, quantity of steam is equal to 8 TPH. TPH means ton per hour. We know that here quantity of steam is given by TPH and then convert to the kilogram. Here 1 TPH is equal to 1000 kg. So capital M is equal to 8 into 1000 is equal to 8000 kg. Second one, steam pressure per temperature is equal to 10 kg per centimeter square per 180 degree centigrade. From using steam table, pressure table. Now find out of the value of Hg. Now using steam pressure table, here steam table first column given by the pressure, then given data pressure is 10 bar. So find out the value of Hg. Here 10 bar pressure, Hg is 2776.2 kilojoule per kg. Now put the value of Hg in given data. Third one, feed water temperature is 85 degree centigrade. Same way, using the steam table, temperature table. Now find out the value of feed water enthalpy. Now using temperature table, first column is given temperature. Here temperature is given by 85 degree centigrade. Then find out the value of feed water enthalpy. HF is 355.9 kilojoule per kg. Put the value in given data. HF is equal to 355.9 kilojoule per kg. Fourth one, small mf is equal to 1.6 TPH. 1.6 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 1600 kg. Fifth one, GCV of coal 4000 kilocalorie per kg. Now here all the parameters are given in kilojoule per kg, but GCV of coal is given in kilocalorie per kg. Now convert of 1 kilocalorie is equal to 1 kilojoule. So 1 kilocalorie is equal to 4.186 kilojoule. Means GCV is equal to 4000 multiplied by 4.186 kilojoule per kg. So GCV is equal to 16,744 kilojoule per kg. All the data put in the equation of boiler efficiency. So boiler efficiency is equal to M into Hg minus Hf upon Mf into GCV multiplied by 100. Put all the parameter value in this equation and calculate the boiler efficiency. Finally, calculation of boiler efficiency is 72.27%. So this type calculation of boiler efficiency by direct method. Some merits and demerits of direct method. First of merit. First, plant people can evaluate quickly the efficiency of boilers. Second one, required few parameter for computation. Third one, need of few instrument for monitoring. And then demerits of the direct method. First one, does not give a clue to the operator as the Y efficiency of system is lower. Second one, does not calculate various losses accountable for various efficiency level. Third one, evaporation ratio and efficiency may mislead if the steam is highly wet due to water carryover. The demerit of the direct method can be overcome by the indirect method. So, next lecture I will try to explain indirect method by the boiler performance. Thank you.